Tired of kitchen chaos? Discover the Ninja PossibleCooker PRO magic. Are you overwhelmed by a kitchen cluttered with pots, pans, and gadgets for every single task? Cooking should be a joy, not a juggling act. Whether it's slow cooking a stew or baking crusty bread, the struggle to find the right tool is real. Enter the Ninja MC1001 Foodi PossibleCooker PRO, a revolutionary multi-cooker that eliminates the chaos. Imagine one appliance replacing 14 others, streamlining your kitchen into a space of efficiency and culinary freedom. Could this be the solution you've been waiting for? The Ninja PossibleCooker PRO doesn't just make bold claims, it delivers. With 8 versatile cooking functions, from Sear, Sauté to Sous Vide, this powerhouse adapts to any recipe. Its triple fusion heat technology combines bottom, side, and steam heat for faster, more even cooking, slashing meal prep time by up to 30%. Oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, the nonstick pot lets you sear, cook, and crisp all in one. It's more than a gadget, it's your kitchen's MVP. Imagine reclaiming your counter space by replacing 14 appliances with one sleek, stylish cooker. From slow cookers to Dutch ovens and even bread makers, the Ninja PossibleCooker PRO does it all. Its 8.5 quart capacity means you can prepare meals for a crowd without breaking a sweat. The integrated utensil, a multitasking ladle and pasta fork, saves time and effort, while the non-stick pot ensures mess-free cleanup. For busy families or aspiring chefs, this is efficiency redefined. Durability meets elegance with the Ninja PossibleCooker PRO. Made from high-quality, oven-safe aluminum, it's built to handle high temperatures and frequent use. Its PFOA-free non-stick coating ensures safe, easy cooking and cleaning, while the sea salt gray finish adds a modern touch to your kitchen. Ninja's reputation for excellence guarantees a product that's as reliable as it is beautiful, making it a worthy addition to any home. The Ninja PossibleCooker PRO isn't just a kitchen tool, it's a lifestyle upgrade. From saving time and space to delivering flawless meals, it's a game-changer for anyone who loves to cook. Its versatility, speed, and user-friendly features make it a must-have for both beginners and culinary pros. If you're ready to turn your kitchen into a haven of efficiency and creativity, this is the cooker for you. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to possibilities.